Suppose you have these two vectors. Now, here, this is V is 3, 4, and W is 7, 5. What you can do is do a little sketch like this to see what you're doing. Obviously, the longer one is W. So this is vector W. It goes all the way out to 7. This would be the origin. It goes out to 7 and goes up to 5. That's what it means. And that would be the same thing as saying W is equal to 7i plus 5j. Because I is the horizontal and 5, it means it goes 7 to the right because it's positive 7 and 5 up because it's positive 5. That's what it means. As for V, this would be V. V is 3, 4. It would be the same thing as V is equal to 3i plus 4j. Right? So, what that means, it goes 3 to the right. So, the point of the vector, and by the way, I should draw the arrows on the vectors. So, the end of the vector would be above 3 and beside 4. Now, where I say above 3 and beside 4 is because I'm thinking of a vertical axis, right? It's kind of lean. My vertical axis, y-axis. And this would be 4 here. This would line up with 5, right? So that's what's going on here. See that? Now, if you're going to look at these vectors and you're asked to find V plus W, what you do is add the vertical components and the horizontal component. You can't add horizontal and vertical. You have to add horizontal and horizontal, then vertical and vertical. So it would be 3 plus 7, comma, 4 plus 5. And that, of course, would be 7 and 3, 10, comma, 4 and 5, 9. That is what you would get. If you get them in the form I and J, then V plus, let me just do it out here, V plus W would be the same as, it would be 3i plus 4j plus 7i plus 5j. You see that? But you put i's together now. 3i plus 7i plus, and then 4j plus 5j. You see that? You can factor it if you want and say it's 3 plus 7 I. That means horizontal plus 4 plus 5 j, the vertical components. You see that? So it would be 10I plus 4 and 5, 9j. Alright? It means the same thing as this. 10 horizontal and j in the vertical. And remember, this form is somewhat similar to the x comma y when we're dealing with coordinates. The x goes left and right. Alright? The y goes up and down. Horizontal, vertical. Alright, so that's what you have there. So we'll talk about that some more in another video.